How to change profile picture on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to change your photo on Zangi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on a mobile device. Once you open the Zangi app, now log in into your account with your registered Zangi number and password. After you get logged in, you can see a profile picture, right? Click on it. Now click on edit profile info and tap on your profile picture. Browse through the photo that you want to keep as your profile picture. Once you select it, crop your picture. Once it feels right, click on the check mark and tap on done. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change profile picture on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zangi application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.